Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to get retail or individual donations for your NGO. If you are looking to attract more donors, it all comes down to two things: visibility and engagement. Let's break it down. First up, visibility. Your potential donors can't support you if they don't know you exist. So, how do you get your NGO in front of them? Start with a strong social media presence. Be active on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Share stories, updates, and campaigns regularly, and show your work in action. Next, leverage traditional and community channels. Newspapers, college events, and clubs are great ways to reach local audiences. Don't forget corporate recognition. Apply for awards. This builds credibility and visibility. Get skilled young volunteers or interns on board who understand trends and can create engaging content that resonates with audiences. Also, benchmark successful NGOs, both domestic and international. Learn from their campaigns and adapt their best practices to your organization. Design campaigns with virality potential. Collaborate with influencers or celebrities to expand your reach. It could give your NGO the visibility boost you need. And never underestimate on ground outreach. Hire telecallers to reach existing or purchased databases and deploy staff to distribute pamphlets in high traffic areas like metro stations, malls, and public spaces. Just make sure you have the necessary permissions. Lastly, use employee advocacy. Encourage your staff to share updates about your programs on WhatsApp stories and other social media platforms regularly. People trust recommendations from someone they know. All right. So once people know about your NGO, the real challenge begins. How do you actually get them to trust you enough to donate? Let's go step by step. First, highlight your strength. Be crystal clear about why your NGO is trustworthy and worthy of support. Share your mission, your values, and what makes your approach different. Next, show impact visually. Photos, videos, infographics, even before and after visuals. These help donors see the real difference their money makes. Numbers with visuals always stick better. Third, lean into storytelling and testimonials. Share human stories, whether it's a beneficiary's transformation or a volunteer's journey. Stories make your impact memorable. Fourth, build trust with peer and community endorsements. Testimonials from past donors or volunteers create social proof. Remember, people trust what others say about you more than what you say about yourself. Number 5. Show transparency and accountability. Be open about how donations are used. Share updates, reports, or even short summaries of funds spent and the outcomes achieved. Next, give prompt and personalized responses. Reply quickly to emails and queries on social media. These could be your potential donors. When possible, address donors by name and acknowledge their contributions. A personal touch goes a long way. Seventh, have systemized processes. Whether it's donating online, signing up as a volunteer, or receiving receipts, keep it simple, smooth, and consistent. It shows professionalism and builds confidence. Also, send regular updates and follow ups, whether through newsletters, WhatsApp messages, or impact reports. Keeping in touch turns a one time donor into a long term supporter. And finally, make giving easy with convenient donation options, mobile friendly forms, multiple payment modes, and even recurring donation setups. The easier it is, the more likely people are to give. So that's how you build trust and engagement with retail donors. by being clear, transparent, and consistent while showing real impact. So, there you have it, visibility to attract attention and engagement to turn that attention into support. Follow these tips, and your NGO will be well on its way to attracting more retail donors. If you found this useful, make sure to follow our Instagram page for more tips and insights that will help your NGO grow. And don't forget to hit subscribe because in our next video, we'll be sharing how to think creatively for a campaign. You won't want to miss it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your NGO's impact. See you next time.